All right, part one, part two. Avon Barks is removing the strut, the shock from the rear.
Yes, ma'am.
This is a 1983 Chevy C10. That's one strut, one shock removed. And he's gonna.
Hey viewers, y'all remember this. When you get down here on the ground and shit, make sure you have your paws and shit right there, cause I can't reach over there. Ain't no Stretch Armstrong.
Yeah, so now he gotta get
right here.
He gotta get all the way out from under the truck to get all his tools and his product. So what he's saying to y'all, bring all your material up under the truck with you to make the job much easier and much quicker. Now he gotta slide right out from under this truck. It's an easy task because the bolts and stuff are right there. Unless he go gadget his arms and get it. But y'all,
Life don't work like that.
Always keep your material close. And he know that's from pool. You keep your material close to you.
Nothing wrong with me. I think pool is food. That's my problem. That's why I be getting my ass kicked.
No. Now he gotta walk way back out here and get his tools. Well, here's the picture of the truck, so y'all didn't see it in the old posters. It's a 1989. 83, I mean, sorry. They all got the same look, but it's an 83 though. It's not a step side, it's a fleet side. It got the rally wheels. It's a 1983. '83 front grille bumper, 383 Scroker with the Holly Cobb 280 cam. After all this done, said and done, who wants some, come get some. It's not built for racing, but you're not gonna pull up beside me and snort your gas, snort your acceleration and not do nothing. That's what he said. So, there's the breather. 1983 C10 thumbnail. All right, so here we go. Back up under here. He's gonna put it back together. I'm just a cameraman.
Hello. Hello, guys.
We're back. United by Trucks. You all been I've been seeing the little racist comments, but I'm not gonna speak on that. But here we go back to the program.
Hard part here. Trying to get that damn boat back on there. Come on, baby girl. Sometimes you gotta talk and stuff, y'all. And don't forget your washing too. That's very important. I think it's the wash that was on it. Yeah, this might be it here. Yeah, love all my peoples. Y'all make sure y'all follow that boy Shack Diesel.
Yeah, you have to.
Great guy.
Great guy, great cameraman. Y'all subscribe. We almost at 500, y'all. So y'all go subscribe, man. Shack Diesel. $25 on every 100 after 500 subscribers.
Yeah.
Cash App. You got big time YouTubers don't cash out money. They cash out $40 and $50. So y'all subscribe. Shack Diesel, SHACKDIESEL. Back to the program. Avon Barsdale putting new shocks on. It's 1983. Chevy C10. Polar traction rear end. 373 gear in the rear end. Gear ratio. 700R. 700R4.
That's true.
700R4. Spray and bed liner. Nah.
But he supposed to have high expectations.
Nah, but all that in the works though, y'all. No, all jokes to the side, all that's coming in the works. But you know, it's a star. You got to start from somewhere. You know, a lot of people that had thousands and thousands of dollars still struggling with car notes. This man owned this. This is his vehicle, his project to build on. So with that being said, you know, get out and get your own. He got a 9 to 5.
Hold on, pause that bitch.
I mean, I'm gonna have to pause this video.
Yeah, stop.
Man, you gonna have to edit this shit. I don't want to pause it. I'm for real. You gonna just edit that part. You know, like fast forward, do the little fast forward thing.
Mm-hmm.
Cause once you start over, unless you know how to do the double clip.
I learned.
Nah, I just do it. Keep
Shit,
going
I
like
had
that.
that bitch in there. This shit here.
You can edit this shit. Like, you know, fast forward it. Little complications. Cause this boat is old as hell. 1983. You looking at 37 years old. Truck 37 years old.
Truck older than me. He ain't older than you though.
No, I was 3 when the truck came out.
Yeah.
Don't know nothing about it.
You see this shit. You see this shit in yellow.
Mm-hmm.
Let's
Still having corn in my diaper.
God dang, this boat. Woo!
You can just put this on the back side of your shit as bloopers. I think you should hang both of them up first before you start tightening them up.
What you mean?
My suggestion. Put the top in too, and then hand tighten as much as you can.
Oh, then
Then, yeah. I just want to tighten it up.
Shit. I'm still missing my shit. Damn. Now get what he got to do again, y'all.
You gotta slide right back out.
Stupid.
Don't hit your head, bro. Yeah, everybody gonna ask about this car in the background. It's a 2006 Chevy Impala on 26s. No cut, no scrub. So this in the video, please don't ask about it. It's not for sale. But what is for sale, since I'm out here vlogging with this camera, is this 1985, 1886 Caprice station wagon, 54,000 miles, brand new transmission. Inquiries, I'm looking for $4 grand. $4 grand or best off. 4-inch white walls. Back to the program. We need to let it down. So we don't.
See that? Gotta get close some more. Oh shit. I think this gotta go up, shit.
You said that sharp?
Yeah, so cause this up here gotta be a little bit more over for that to go up. But this way up here. Look.
Damn. Oh, I said, do the body need to come down some?
Huh?
Do the body need to come down?
Yeah, that make good sense, don't it?
Yeah. Put that jack. Let me put that jack up on there and let the body down. Ease the body down. We're gonna have to pause this video now.